What up scrollers, welcome back to DJ Apple Spot, and in this video we're gonna be seeing how you guys can get Among Us theme on your iOS devices. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video itself. So the first step, you have to just make your iPhone to the jiggle mode. Once you are in the jiggle mode, just tap on these dots and turn off your screens. And make sure that you are left with one screen. Once you are done with that, come back, turn off the jiggle mode, and then just press one app to the jiggle mode and then tap and make a folder and release it in the folder, and then you are good to go. So the next step, I have provided the links down with the description, and make sure you open that link only into the Safari. So here's the link, and then you have to just scroll down and click on applications icons. Once you are over here, just tap got it, and you'll be able to see this much of applications are present in this theme. Then you have to find show quick action here. Just tap on the show quick action, and then you have to select all. Once you have selected all, then just scroll down and you'll be able to see generate theme. Just tap on that and it will start loading, and just wait for a while. It totally depends on your internet connection. So once the loading has been done, then just click allow, just close and come back to your home screen. Then go to your settings and you will be able to see profile downloaded. Just tap on that, hit install, again install, and done. It might ask you your iPhone password. Just enter that and you are good to go. As you can see, that Among Us theme is on our screen. So if I want to open cameras, I'll just click that and it will open the camera. So if you don't want this transition, for that you have to just go to your settings once again, go back and then go to your accessibility, then go to the motion, reduce motion and turn on cross fade transition. Just come back, and if I'll go to the clock, so here we are. And if I want to go to camera, so camera, or if I want to go to the app store, here's the app store. And if I want to open Instagram, so here's the Instagram. So as you can see, the transition is not coming, so you are able to opening your direct apps from these things. So that's how you can install Among Us theme, and you can adjust these things to your home screen as your convenient. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. So please like and subscribe. Peace out.